You too, we all know what it is, and you are after all now watching a video on this platform. But what if I told you that there is a perfect alternative for those of you who want to make money online? This platform you see here can make you thousands of dollars in pure passive income without recording a single video of yourself, thanks to the trick I'll be showing you today. This requires no video editing skills or experience, and yes, it's absolutely free. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today we will be using 3 different platforms in order to make money online, and as you may guess, the very first one is this one I am on as we speak, called Rumble.com. And what this site is basically a video sharing platform. It's actually quite similar to YouTube in that regard, definitely. And the thing with this site is that you can make a lot of money by uploading other people's videos, and arguably the best part about this is that most of the videos you see that have gotten many views and have made lots of money are just short clips of something silly or funny, or clips of something quite interesting to a lot of people. In other words, what I am trying to say is that number 1, you don't need a camera for this. You won't be going around recording silly stuff to then upload onto this site. And number 2 is that you don't need any skills for uploading other people's videos. You will need to do some fancy video editing, creating good and throws her out throws or whatever, nothing like that. You will just take other people's videos, and I will show you how to do that and where to do that as well, and you will then just upload them onto this platform. Another thing worth noting as well is that unlike on YouTube, starting out on Rumble is not going to be extremely difficult, because unlike YouTube, Rumble doesn't have nearly as many video creators while still retaining a decent number of visits. This is quite important because that means you can jump on this site as a complete beginner with no equipment skills or anything of that nature and start making loads of money. Moreover, as you can see here, you don't need to wait for a long time before being monetized and being able to make money on Rumble. As I said right here, it literally just takes 2004 hours for you to get monetized so that you can make money from your video, further proving why Rumble is such a good platform to make money on in comparison to YouTube as a complete beginner. With all of that said, let me show you something. Take a look at this video here. This is a great example of what I was talking about. This video is titled Stubborn Dog Fakes to Avoid Bathroom Duties in the Rain, and if I were to play the video, you'll see that it's just 1 minute and 23 seconds long, and of course it's a clip of a dog, as was said in the title, and this short clip has gotten thousands of views and made a lot of money for the person who uploaded it. Anyhow, the very first step for you guys will be to come over to Rumble.com and simply take a look at how many views certain videos are getting, see what works and what doesn't. You don't want to upload a 5-minute video if it won't get any views. It's far better to upload a short video that will get more attention and thus of course make you more money. Once you take a look at some of these videos that have been uploaded, what you will need to do is sign up by clicking on sign in right here in the upper right corner. And then you will want to click on create a Rumble account. Now that will bring you to the following page where they'll ask you to enter in some info about yourself. You will enter in your name, create a unique username, create a password which you will then retype as confirmation, enter your email address and confirm it once again. From there you will then need to choose your country, and it now is the perfect time for me to show and prove to you guys that this does work worldwide. Just take a look at all of the countries that are available. So as you can see, this will work in most countries around the globe. There will be a handful where Rumble isn't available of course, but for the most part it is anyways. Once you've entered in all of this data and chosen a country where you're from, you will now be able to register. These fields below are optional to fill in, as you can see. Regardless though whether you entered in all of this data below or not, you'll need to click on the register button here to finally create your brand new Rumble account. Once you log into your brand new account, this is how everything will look. And once you've logged into your brand new account, it's now time for me to show you where to find videos that other people have recorded that you can then upload onto Rumble and make some nice money in passive income. The platform we will be using for that purpose is going to be YouTube, but you guys really want to stick around because you cannot take any YouTube video you find and just download it and then upload it onto Rumble, because that will result in copyright problems and you ultimately getting banned from the site. So here is what you'll need to do instead. The first step is to search for a video you think will be popular on Rumble. As I said before, you will want to first do some research so you know what kinds of videos will be popular. In my case here, I type in cute puppies because the animal needs is huge and extremely popular both on YouTube and on Rumble as well. Once you search for one particular nation on YouTube, what you'll need to do from there is click on filters right here and then select Creative Commons. What this will do is now show you videos that are copyright free. In other words, you are free to download them and then upload them as your own on Rumble with no copyright issues, and you will be able to make money off of those same videos. Anyhow, you will now just open up some of the videos that pop up and see which ones are the best. I'll be going along with This one is an example. Once you find a good video you think will generate big numbers on Rumble, you will now need to copy the link of the video so you can download it. From there you will head over to Google and type in YouTube to MP4 and then open up any one of these platforms. Whichever one you go for doesn't matter because they all work pretty much the same way, although I personally prefer this one here called White to make the most. Anyways, to download a video you'll just have to paste the link in the box and in my case click on start so I can download the video to my PC for absolutely free and with the full license to use it wherever I want to upload the video on Rumble. What you'll have to do then is just click on this icon here and then on upload video just below, and you will now just want to open up the video you downloaded a second ago. You will then need to enter in all of this info about the video, the title of the video which can be similar to the original video you found on YouTube. You will add a short description, some tags, and then just click on the upload button to upload it onto Rumble, and that's it. From there what you can do is just repeat this process over and over and upload many more videos in the same each, and you will be able to make money passively without even recording the actual video, which is arguably the best part about this strategy. The last thing I want to cover now guys is how to actually withdraw your money. Since that's something a lot of you will be interested in, to do that you'll need to click on your username in the upper right corner and then on account overview just below on the next page just click on cash out to withdraw your money, and that's all there is to it. But for those of you who are interested in making even more money in passive income and with no skills or experience, be sure to check out one or both of the videos you see on the screen right now. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll be seeing you soon in some of the upcoming videos.